Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with iCloud Keychain for wallet access, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure your Apple device is updated to the latest software version. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, select iCloud from the menu. In the iCloud settings, find and tap on Keychain. Toggle the switch to enable iCloud Keychain if it is not already on. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password for verification. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your identity, such as two-factor authentication. Next, head back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. If you haven't set up your wallet yet, tap on Add Card to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to add a new card to your wallet. Once a card is added, you can access it using the Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. To authenticate using iCloud Keychain, open the Wallet app. Select the card you wish to use for a transaction. When prompted, if you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, use that for authentication. If neither is available, enter your passcode when prompted. For seamless authentication, ensure your device is in close proximity to the payment terminal. After confirming your authentication, finalize the transaction by holding your device near the terminal. Remember to securely manage your cards and information within the Wallet app. Make sure your device always remains connected to iCloud for uninterrupted access to your keychain. If you have any additional cards to manage, repeat the process within the wallet settings. This complete guide provides you with the necessary steps to authenticate with iCloud Keychain for wallet access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.